Hey, it's Aaron from Momentum Realty, and here are your market stats for January 2026. January opened the year with continued pressure on the Fraser Valley home prices as economic headwinds and sustained inventory kept buyer confidence muted. Home prices declined for the 10th consecutive month, pushing the benchmark price below $900,000 for the first time since spring of 2021. The benchmark price for a typical home in the Fraser Valley dropped 1% in January to $897,200, now down 6.9% year over year. Despite softer pricing, buyer activity remained subdued. The board recorded just 619 sales in January, a 33% drop from December and 24% lower than January of last year. On the supply side, new listings jumped 128% to 3,078, which is typical for January as sellers returned to the market. That said, new listings were still 10% lower than this time last year, showing some ongoing hesitation. Overall, inventory remains elevated. We ended January with 7,711 active listings, which is 11% higher than December and a significant 54% above the 10-year seasonal average. The Fraser Valley remains firmly in a buyer's market with a sales to active listing ratio of just 8%, down from 13% in December. For context, a balanced market typically sits between 12 and 20%. Homes are also taking longer to sell. Detached homes average 55 days on market, condos average 53 days, and townhomes average 50 days. Affordability challenges continue to play a major role. Rising day-to-day expenses combined with wages that haven't kept pace are putting pressure on household budgets. As a result, many buyers are choosing to be more cautious, taking time to plan, reassessing and aligning their timing with long-term goals rather than rushed decisions. Looking at pricing segments, single-family homes now sit at 1.373,100, down 1.1% month over month and 7.4% year over year. Townhomes are down to 773,100, which is down 1% month over month and 6.5% year over year. Condos are at 488,600, down 0.6% month over month and 8.2% year over year. The takeaway for January is this: prices are more affordable than they've been in years. Inventory remains high and buyers clearly have leverage, but confidence is still rebuilding after a long period of economic uncertainty. For those willing to plan strategically, this market continues to offer opportunities, not through urgency, but through preparation and timing. For the full report, please click the link below. And if you're looking for a real estate expert to get ahead in the market, feel free to reach out. I'm here to help.